6:15. Ang lakas ng ulan. Good morning ulit. Ang pangit ng weather. Today is December 30. And kagabi, ubusan na tayo ng memory. Gamit ko ngayon iPhone. And di ko na-close yung vlog kagabi kasi pagdating ko dito, ang tahimik na ng caravan. Alas 10 na ako naka-uwi. And si Jan, nagtutoast na siya ng bread. And umalis siya kanina para mag-fishing pero hindi natuloy kasi ang pangit ng weather nga. Maalon daw. So, hindi siya napag-fishing. Baba, look at all the clothes there. Umiyak yung baby niya. So, lahat kami nasa caravan. Walang lumalos kasi malamig and umuulan.
What's that hitting all the time?
Hindi ako makapag-walking. Yung battery nandun sa kabila, nasa shed ni Dad. Doon ko nilagay kasi sabi niya doon ko ilagay. Ngayon pala kailangan niya. Inutusan niya na si Zach na kunin. Ayan na si Zaki boy. Thanks, Zaki.
Huh?
It's about to rain. Si Kuya nasa phone. Siyempre, may phone na siya. Mag-Vegemite and cheesy dyan. Si Holly, Baba, you?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
And my baby's having some too.
Oh, your baby's having some.
What's that, Zach?
No. Why? You don't.
Ang sis ako, nakabantay lang siya.
Well, we don't.
Kasi si Kuya nasa phone.
Yes, I do. Hi. Where we like?
Nandito na sila Willa and Hunter. Hi, hi, love. Come on, come here. Hi. Hi. Good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning.
Say good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Where's Hunter?
Skate park. Say skate park.
Skate park?
Yeah.
With Kuya Zach?
Yeah.
Yeah. How about who's the other one? Rylan.
You like the caravan?
You like a caravan? Huh? Where's Rylan?
You like the caravan?
Where's Rylan?
Staying here.
Where's Rylan? It's here.
You gonna stay here with us?
Yeah. Yes, Dad is gonna be. She's gonna be all right.
Car's just going for a drive.
Okay.
You stay
All right.
here, it's alright.
Yeah, you can play with Holly and other
My
kids.
baby.
Where's the baby? The crying baby. Where's Auntie Leanne? Home? Where's Auntie Leanne? Home? Yeah. Ay, yung asong makulit, oh. Gusto niya kasi laging mag-jump. Tingnan mo kayo, lagi siya nakatali. Matalim pa yung kanyang mga kuko. Si Lulu.
What'd you say, babe?
It's cold.
Put the heater on.
Maybe take one more step. Can you take a step to there? I will fall down.
Kuya, Ate Holly, go down first and help her. Okay? Ate Holly will help you.
Hi.
Okay, one more step. One more step. And, okay. No, just one more, Baba. One more step. Yes. Put your, yes. And then up. Push your body up. Yes. Put your body up, love. Okay, go. Yeah, good job, go. Oops. Good job. Ba siya? Gusto niya siya raw magbukas. Ngayon, hindi niya kaya. I can reach it. To the rescue si Kuya. What happened? You can reach it? No?
I'm not stuck in it.
Ang dal-dal niya. Yan si Sophie. What are you doing?
He's picking my outfit.
No, that one, it's alright, Baba, because you just wore that last night. It's still alright.
I slept. Wait, did I sleep with this?
Yeah, it's alright. We're just here. You're not dirty
When
yet.
did you come back? Last night.
10 o'clock? You fall asleep.
Did you fall
Are you
asleep?
going back to your house?
Yeah, later.
Mum, me and Sophie might go for a walk.
Alright. It's raining though.
Yeah, we know. To the library.
To the library? Okay. When it's not raining.
Yeah.
Gusto niya raw paiyakin. Oh, where is it? Here. I think here. Oh, where? Oh, where is? Huh. Okay. Carry her. Carry. Like, stop crying, baby. Tell her.
I'm not.
Ha?
That's right.
Umalis si Holly tsaka si Sophie. Pumunta sa caravan nila, Sophie. Do you want her to cry or laugh?
Right.
Cry, okay. No, you have to carry her. No, carry her because she's crying. Mas malaki pa sa'yo si baby. I think she's bigger than you. You think so?
Yes.
Yes. Oh. You can go out with Kuya TJ if you want, or you can play there at the bank. Where you wanna go? Si Kuya naglalarong golf sa kanyang phone. Yes. Where are you going?
To the skate park.
With who?
Kuya, TJ, and Sophie.
Alright. You be careful, ha? Don't forget to wear your helmet. Nag-edit pala ako, guys. Nakapag-transfer na ako ng file sa aking laptop. And nakapag-edit na tayo ngayon. Dito ako sa bahay, naligo, and kukuha tayo ng lobster. Kasi meron tayong viewers from Melbourne. Nag-text siya sa akin the other day na papunta raw sila dito sa Mount Gambier. And nag-ask siya kung anong magandang tourist spot. So sinabi ko Blue Lake, tapos may mga caves, tapos etong yung lighthouse dito sa Port Mac. And nag-text siya kagabi, kanina ko nabasa, papunta raw sila ng Kingston. Nag-ask siya sa akin kung saan siya pwede makabili ng lobster. Marami ditong nabibilihan naman talagang lobster sa sa may bay kasi nandyan yung iba-ibang factory. Sabi ko, punta na lang siya sa kung saan kami ngayon dun sa caravan. Sinabi ko sa kanya kung saan, tapos bigyan ko na lang siyang lobster. Kaya kukuha tayong lobster. Pero sabi niya kanina, punta muna raw sila ng Kingston para magpa-picture doon. May malaki kasing lobster doon, guys. So, para yung tourist spot yun sa Kingston din na magpapa-picture ka doon sa malaking lobster. So, pumunta sila doon. Ngayon, pupunta sila dito sa Port Mac ulit para pick upin yung lobster. So, kuha tayo ng lobster. Bigyan na lang natin sila instead na bumili. And si Jan nandito rin kasi kukuha siya ng meat para sa dinner natin mamaya. So, nakaligo na ako. And baka bumalik ako mamaya dito. And eto, dalhin ko tong aking panlaban sa lamig. Asan si Johnny Boy? Tignan nyo yung kinit dyan. Medyo parang papalit na. Ha, your key is a bit bent. Okay, you do it. Kasi baka, malamig. Ayan na yung kanilang lobster. Meron tong 3. Yeah, dito na sila, guys. So, bigyan na natin ito. Come on, Baba. Are you alright now? Go, bring it out. Umiiyak siya, oh. Umiiyak siya kasi...
Be happy.
Kasi, what happened? Mamaya ko na sila
Hello. Good.
Hi, eto, oh. Ready na itong kainin. Hi.
Yeah, I'm just up at the block.
Kasama siya
Alright,
sa
no
library.
worries.
Pumunta sila doon. Tapos,
Alright, see you now.
I don't think that I'm being that selfish right now. You said yourself you'd be breaking every vow. I can understand you're tired of this town, and I'm not saying.
Nakaalis na yung, hindi ko alam kung mag-asawa sila or mag-boyfriend, girlfriend, pero nakaalis na sila. Kuha daw sila ng fish and chips doon sa, kung saan kayo kumukuha ng fish and chips. Sabi niyo dyan sa yellow.
On the side.
Sa yellow. Kasi dalawa yun. May blue na fish and chips na nabibilan yellow tsaka yellow. Blue at tsaka yellow. So sabi niyo dyan sa yellow, kung gusto mo yung parang yung butter, masarap sa yellow. Pero pag gusto mo yung burger, yung lot, sa sa blue. No, I'm alright. Lagay sila ng sunscreen. Naglagay na siya kanina. Did you put this morning?
No.
You said you did.
No, I did, but I didn't.
Ah, you did, but you didn't. I thought you always put sunscreen.
I was glad I didn't know.
And
where
rub
the
it, okay?
sunscreen was.
Rub it. Wait, the other ear.
I get sunscreen in my hair.
Oh. And dinala ko yung favorites. Meron kayong tatlo nito from the family.
Whose family?
Nana from Brianna and Auntie Mel, I think.
No,
And
it was from Auntie Chona.
Auntie Solana pala. Oh, hindi kay Auntie Solana. So, yan. And uploading yung vlog. Tapos, eto ka tayo. Kain tayo ng picnic. Wala pa akong kinain. What time na ba? Anong oras na ba? 1:47. Naka-charge yung phone ni Kuya dito. Oh. Is this Kuya?
Uh-huh.
He changed the picture.
No.
Yung screensaver niya.
It just does that when it's the morning. It changes.
Oh, alright. Ang ganda mo.
When it
Tingnan mo,
goes-
Kuya, ang ganda, oh.
Mom,
Yung kanyang-
when it goes night, it goes night. The phone does.
Alright, okay. Nagki-cricket na yung mga bata doon. And si Jan, naglabas siya ng rump steak. Ayan. Tapos meron tayong chops, sausages ulit. Yung chops dala nila Kylie. Sila Kylie kasi nagpa-katay din silang, may alaga silang sheep. So, pinakatay din nila yung 3 ata. So, pinakatay nila. So, meron silang dala. So, yun din ang ulam natin mamaya. Diba? Mga homegrown ang meat natin ngayon, guys. From beef to chops, lamb. Ang init na. Kanina gusto ko maglakad. Ang lakas ng ulan.
Look,
Who's that?
Sophie, she gave it to me because she's too small for it.
Ah, it's too small for her.
But it's a bit big for me.
Oh, that's nice. What? That's binigyan
But
siya
I'm not wearing it yet. I'm only wearing it when I'm 8 because that's
Alright.
a bit too big for me.
Okay.
Big.
Pag 8 na raw siya. Next year pa yun. Naglalagay pa rin siyang sunscreen sa kanyang arms kasi nagkaroon din siyang sunburn. Sabi ko, huwag kayong makinig. Makukuha niyo ang gusto niyo. Huh? See, because you're gonna get sunburn on your legs.
My teacher had like big red there.
Yeah.
I'm only putting on my
Put sunscreen out, TJ, please.
Hurry up, Mary.
Put sunscreen, please.
I'm just putting on my thighs.
Holly, put sunscreen. Bagal ang internet. 28% pa lang. Mag-aalas 4 na. And sila Kobe, tsaka yung mga mate niya, nandito yung mga binata na ba? Lalaro ng cricket. Sila. Oh. Ayan sila. Umalis si Jan, kinuha niya yung dinghy. Watch for the car, ha? Dito na si Jan. Nakuha niya na yung dinghy. Are you gonna fish tomorrow, ha? Mag-fishing siya bukas. Tulog si Sak. Tingnan nyo naman ang Saki boy. Nakatulog dito. May bed naman. May bed naman siya. Tulog siya. Nag-sunscreen siya para matulog dito sa may araw. Yung dalawa, andoon. Nagtala andoon din. Okay. And si Kuya Arnott's. Lalamig ako. Malamig kasi ang hangin. Ay! Ayan na naman siya. Ayan na naman. Aray ko, aray ko. Si John, dito na siya sa kanyang barbecue kasi magluluto na siya. Siya lagi ang chef. Kunin ko etong chili flakes ni Dad. Kakain ako ng kanin tsaka yung our kitchen, guys. Yan ang aking dinner. Nag-init na ako ng rice. Pero hindi ko lang kung mainit kasi 30 seconds na isa pa. And eto yung kitchen. Hindi ko na siya ininit kasi ayaw ni Jan ang amoy. And may dala akong spring rolls. Kinain ko na. And ayan na lang yung rice, guys. Nakita nyo naman kung ano itsura niya kagabi. Ayan na lang. And yung aking, tingnan nyo, 43 pa lang. Anong oras na? Alas 5 na. And yung aking berry glow, kapartner ng aking kanin. And si Jaya na. Yung kinain ko lang naman is yung aking spring rolls. Buong araw yun lang. Anong oras na? Alas 5. So, eto na yung aking dinner. So, hindi ako nag-breakfast. Ay. Spring roll lang talaga. Kasi ito ay kitchen. Spray ako after kong kumain kasi si Jan. Sabi niya ayaw niya yung amoy nito. Sarap, sarap, sarap. Lalaway na ako kahit kinain ko na siya kagabi. Okay guys, wala ang dilim, madilim. Ano tayo ng kitchen. Ayan, para mas makawanag. Para makita niyo yung subo ko. Subo ko. Yung mga bata ko, ano na lang ang kinakain nila pag lunch kasi kanina nag-chips sila. Di ba pumunta sila sa skate park? May pera naman sila. So, kumakain na sila dun. Kainin ko muna ito, guys. Tapos na akong kumain. Hindi ko naubos yung rice. In fairness, hindi tayo kumain ng bongga. Ayan. Ang dami pa din. Busog na mi. Nagluluto na pala si Jan. Here, Han. Tapos na si Jan magluto. Nakatulog ako. Ayan na. Ayan na yung ating dinner. Movie? What movie? Ayan si Kuya, kinuha niya yung bagong, hindi na siya bago kasi binili natin ng isang araw. Pero fresh pa yan. That's the bread. What else, Zach? Here? You want cold sausage?
Bottom first.
Okay. Sauce? Ayan na yung kay Kuya. Sauce is in the fridge, I think. Where's the sauce, hon? What's wrong, Zach? Good? Nandito na si Joey. Joey is here. Si Lulu, muntik nang mawala.
She bought a relation and she ran away, but lucky she was in the caravan.
I know. Chinu niya yung kanyang, yung tali niya, yung list niya. And, ayan, bago na naman yan.
We got any bread?
Yeah, here. Lots of bread here. I have more bread there. That's Joe. I put butter. Ayan. What do you want, Baba? Salad? Noodles? Is Kobe here? No. Yan yung noodles. Come on, Baba. Do you want any salad, Baba? Potato? No? Okay. Cut tayo ng celery. Dalawang big boys.
You want a kebab? Here's a kebab here. I want one of them.
Kebab. Beef? Is it beef or chicken? How is it, boys? Kiddos? Good? Good? Why? May sunburn yung lips ni Kuya. Ay, okay. This is the chops. The chops is good, Joey.
Yeah. But what I know is the college actually have chops. Can't you say you have chops?
Oh, this is not chops?
Yeah, you sit there and I'll sit.
Yeah, Dad said chop.
Yeah. So this is not chops? So what's this one?
Rump.
Oh, rump. There's fat there, Baba.
Although those kebabs, you're made as well.
the kebabs. Is it good, Joey?
Oh, let me try her kebab.
Because you didn't check your
Yeah, it's alright. You have yours there. Yum. Good.
Watching.
Ayan na, kumakain ng lahat. Wala si Kobe, nasa friends. Tapos nang kumain guys, and ayan yung hugasan natin. Nililinis ko lang dito, and eto yung baon ni Jan. Meron siyang 6 na sausages. Yung iba ibibigay niya rin sa kanyang ka-work. Ayan. Ayan, tapos ko na siyang hugasan. Drinay siya ni Kylie. Etong tinapay dito na lang to. Wala naman ditong daga. Ayan. Ito, dalhin ko to dun sa caravan kasi itong baon ni Johnny Boy bukas. Oh, meron pa pala dito. Ay, hugasan ko pa pala yan. Ayan, nahugasan na rin. Okay. Mga bata, yun nga, naglalaro na sila ng cricket. Ayan. And si Jan, and si Joe, and si Kylie. Han! I got 6. Kamusta na kayong ina-upload natin na vlog? Diyos ko po, wala pa rin 60 minutes. 60% pa lang. Oh, it's freezing! Nandito tayo. Lamig. May pa-music sila doon, makaka-copyright tayo. Kapasok na naman doon yung bola and nag-cover the back na naman si Zach. Si Jan yung nakatira papunta doon. Kakakuha lang nila ng bola. Pag tira ni Zach, nakapasok ulit doon. Ano ba yun? Yeah, no, that's out, Saki. Yeah, you're out. Evacuation. Ang lamig-lamig na. Yung dalawang babae, pupunta sila sa beach. Yan lang naman across. Tapos na sila Zach? So, yeah. I know, can I sit here? You're gonna play golf tomorrow? With Joe?
Night.
Inon ni Jan yung heater kasi malamig. 8:35 na si Kuya naliligo. And gusto ko sana umuwi sa bahay kasi may gagawin ako doon. Gusto ko na sana gawin yung spring rolls. Kaso yung ating ina-upload 66% pa lang. Anong oras na? So, baka yeah, so baka hindi na ako umuwi. Hindi ko alam. Kasi ilang araw tayo walang vlog daw sa internet. Kahit dito sabi mahina ang internet. Tapos si Kuya maligo and ang fresh niya. Tapos sabi niya, utot ako, labas mo na ako. Tumaba siya pa umutot. Si Sak na yung next na ligo. What toilet?
In the shed.
On? Why?
Just leave it on, so if you're going to go to the toilet.
Ah, yeah, that's right. Is Holly having a shower with Sophie?
She's done.
Oh, Holly? How about Sophie? Just having a shower.
They're done.
Oh, they're done. Oh, tapos na yung girls. So, ayan si Sak. Ano, Sak?
Watch out the door.
Door! Maliligo din siya dito. Ako naligo na ako kanina pag uwi. Holly?
Watch your head
In
on the caravan.
thing's not back yet.
Where?
Colin's not back yet.
Is she coming back here?
Yeah, but Ollie's
What?
over there.
Okay. I-close ko na yung vlog, guys. Yung aking ina-upload hindi pa rin uploaded kasi ang hina ng ating internet. So si Holly na doon kila Sophie, si Kuya na doon sa bed niya, and we are here. So we're gonna close the vlog. Yun na yung vlog natin, guys. Thank you.
Please like, please subscribe. See you next one. Bye.
Good night, guys. Magugas pa ako ng mukha. Alright, good night.
Because I think I do want you next to me.